Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your text font. First, let's tackle system-wide changes. Most operating systems, whether mobile or desktop, offer built-in options. You'll typically find these settings within your device's display or personalization menu. Look for a section dedicated to font style or size. You can often select from a dozen or more pre-installed fonts. Once you've made your choice, simply apply the changes, and your entire system's text will update. Many individual applications also allow you to customize their fonts, independent of your system settings. For example, word processors, email clients, and even some social media apps provide this flexibility. Open the app and head to its internal settings or preferences menu. There, you'll often find a dedicated section for text or font customization. You might have a choice of 20 or more fonts. Pick your preferred style and save your selection to see the change within that specific application. If the built-in options aren't enough, you can install custom fonts. Many websites offer thousands of free and paid fonts. Always download from reputable sources to ensure file safety. Common formats include True Type Font or TTF and Open Type Font or OTF. Once downloaded, use your operating system's font manager to install them. This process usually takes less than 1 minute. After installation, restart any open applications to make the new fonts available for use. Choosing the right font is crucial for both aesthetics and usability. Always prioritize readability, especially for text you interact with frequently. A font that looks stylish might be difficult to read at smaller sizes. Consider the overall feel you want for your device, a professional look versus a more playful one. Experiment with different sizes, perhaps increasing by 1 or 2 points to find what's most comfortable for your eyes. Generally, limit yourself to 2 or 3 distinct fonts to maintain a cohesive and uncluttered appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.